Hello everyone, Tara Fernandez here with Bargain Bows, and I'm so excited that Valentine's Day is right around the corner and we have some beautiful, gorgeous boutique bows, Valentine style for you. So we just want to share with you how awesome our Valentine's boutique bows are. All boutique bows are only $5. Look how gorgeous this is. We have many styles available, so make sure to go check our website, bargainbows.com, to see all the styles we do have. Here's one right here. Beautiful, gorgeous rhinestone in the center. This one right here is beautiful as well. And then we just have a clear rhinestone in the center. And then these are available on single prong clips and also our alligator clips with teeth. Okay, this one has a bottle cap in the center and says love. Beautiful heart ribbon, red ribbon, polka dots, lots of pink and red. Okay, and this one is very similar to this one, just a different color. Okay, I am absolutely obsessed always with all our boutique bows with these rhinestones in the center. They are my favorite. I mean, hello, pretty. So pretty. And honestly, these could probably be worn, like if you get these for Valentine's Day, these can be worn for Valentine's Day and absolutely worn with a regular outfit after. Like they will match anything. And this one is just so pretty. Lots and lots of layers of ribbon with hearts on them. So cute.